Hello everyone. Today's topic is dictionaries. Basically, dictionaries are a collection of data which can be changed and even be indexed. It has specifically values and keys. Suppose I am declaring a dictionary called as my dictionary as MD, and basically dictionaries come with a flower brackets. Say my dictionary consists of details of a car. Say the brand is Ford over here, and the next detail is basically separated with a comma, and here the model is, say, Mustang. The model is Mustang and a comma, and we'll declare the year at which Mustang was basically invented or been published. The year is 1964. So this is my specific dictionary. Say I want to print out my dictionary. So this is what a dictionary is. So let's say how to access an element from a dictionary. Suppose I want only the model of my dictionary. The model is Mustang. Let's say the model which I want is MD. I'm accessing my dictionary. In my dictionary, I just want model. Suppose if this is what I want, then it will just give me an output called Mustang. Okay. Suppose if I want to change a value, suppose if I want to change the year, say simply I am first accessing my dictionary, then I am accessing the year, and then I am just changing the value to 2018. So the value of 2018 is being changed. So what I'll do now is I'll ask my Jupyter notebook to print it. Now you can see that my year has been changed from 1964 to 2018. On the next segment, we'll see how to loop through a dictionary. Basically, I'm using the for loop here for looping through a dictionary. You can even use a while loop also. Suppose let's say for X in dictionary, for every value in dictionary. Basically here, if you can see here brand will be the key and the Ford will be the value. So first I'm accessing my for loop and I am telling it to print the value X. See, when I do this method for just printing, it will just print the keys. It will not print the values. This method is only for printing the keys. Let's say I want the values. If I want the values, there are two methods for values for X in MD, and say print MD of X. Means it is simply first it is for X it is taking the value of a key, and then when I am accessing it inside two brackets, then it's accessing its values. See, now you can see here it is giving me the values but not the keys. There is another method to access the values. Suppose for MD dot values, if I am using this method, then it will simply say it will print the values. This is another method which we are using to print the values. Suppose you want I want both the keys and as well as the values. Then since there are two variables now, I am declaring two variables called X and Y, one to print simply the key and another one to print the values. Suppose if this is the case, then I am asking it to print X comma Y. Now you can see it is printing the brand is Ford, the model is Mustang, and the year is 2018. I have changed the year so it is a constant, and so it is just giving me the changed value, not the before value. Okay. So next, suppose if you want to add an item to the dictionary, how do you actually add an item? First, I have to call my dictionary. After calling my dictionary, I want to add a variable color, and the color value is red. Suppose if I do this, and now I'm calling my dictionary. Okay, there is an error. There is a slight error over here. Okay, the value here should be is equal to, not the colon. Now you can see that the color has been added at the end. Suppose now you have seen the addition. If you want to remove an element, suppose say, as we know, for removing an element in an array, a set of arrays, it is pop. I want to simply remove my pop and I want to print my dictionary. Now you can see that the pop value has been removed. Sorry, that was an error. I have run the remove pop model again, but it has already been removed, so it is showing me an error, but that is not an issue. I'll take a new line over here. Now, after the remove model, there are some other variables like deleting, copying, adding. See, all these methods are same as a list, so I'm not explaining in detail again over here. Check out my video on list. There you can see all the other modules, or you can even check on the tuples so that you can get all the other modules into a regular practice. There is another topic, interesting topic in this, the nested dictionary. Suppose I am declaring multiple number of dictionaries. Say my dictionary here is a child one. Simply I am giving some data about a child. Say first one is Monish. Okay, I'm giving a comma and the next value, the key value will be language, and let's say my mother tongue is Telugu. I'll just copy this data so that I don't type it again and again. This is okay. Now I'll change the values here. Let's say child 2 and let the name be Kavi, for example, and let Telugu go to Kannada. I'll change the child 1 value to child 3 and let's say here Pravas, and this goes to English. So I've created 3 different dictionaries, and what I want to do is now I want to create another dictionary and I want to access all these elements in one dictionary. Suppose I create my dictionary called as my family, and I'm creating a dictionary, and in this dictionary basically I'm calling child 1 is the key over here, and this key basically will call the child 1 complete dictionary. The same way child 2, which is calling child 2 dictionary, and child 3, which is calling child 3. Suppose this is one dictionary. I'll run this just to check if there is any errors. Since there are no errors, simply I'll print my family. Now you can see here when I print my family, it is showing all the details of child 1, child 2 and child 3. Yep, this is one method of creating a dictionary. I hope you all have understood the concepts of dictionary. If you have any doubts, please comment down on the comment section. I will get to know what all doubts you are having and I would explain it in the next session. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for some more awesome content on Python videos. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you very much.